Hello, welcome back. In this video we're going to go over the substring function in PHP. So the substring function will return a part of a string. There are 3 values you can use. 2 are required, third one is optional. So the first one is the string, which is required. The second is the starting point, and then the length is optional. So let's get into it. We're going to echo it out. Let's create a string. Call the substring function. Okay, so the first parameter we need is the string. So we'll just make something simple. Just do A, B, C, D, E, F. And then the second parameter we're going to need is the starting point, where to start in the string. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So let's start at 3. So this will return DEF. Let's refresh DEF. So, like I said, this is the starting point. 0, 1, 2, 3, starting at D. By default, it starts from the beginning of the string, but you can use a negative value, and it will start from the end of the string. That works too. Okay, I'll change. This is the same thing. So let's use -2. So it's returning E and F. Let's look at the next parameter. So the third parameter is optional, and it's the length parameter. So this is going to determine the length that is returned of your string. So if we start at 1 and we want the next 2 letters to be returned, we would use 2. So it'll start at B, and it will return B and C. B and C. It doesn't have to be positive. This can also be a negative number. Oops, not 1. Okay, let's use -2. And returning B, C, and D. You can also use square brackets to return some letters too. If you go into the documentation, you'll see that. We don't need to do that right now. This is more about just returning, see what we can return with it. Just a quick and easy example of the substring function. If you have any other PHP functions you'd like me to go over, or have any questions, just let me know. All right, thank you.